Hi and welcome to the Lunch Break Gardener. So today I'm planting marrow seed. This marrow seed is called Tiger Cross and it's an F1 seed. It's a hybrid, has the traditional look of a marrow but goes on into the cooler weather, which is really important to me because it means I can extend my growing season despite having a short summer. So I've made a 1-inch hole and I've placed my seed on its side. Placing the seed on its side is really important. I don't know why, but most of them germinate when they are placed on their side, and I've packed that seed in really well, leaving no air holes for water to rot the seed. Then label and date your seed and pop that in your container. So because the weather is still quite cold up here, I've popped this on a sunny windowsill in the house. I say sunny very, very loosely. It's mainly the heat that makes them germinate, and that's what I was bringing it indoors for. You roughly need about 10 to 20 degrees for it to germinate. So in 3 weeks later, it's the 6th of April and I'm ready to plant on the seedling. I've used a pot twice the size and I'm just going to fill it with the general compost I've used to germinate the seed. As you can see, this plant is quite tall. This is referred to as being leggy, and it means it hasn't had enough sun. So it's grown taller because it knows the sun is placed vertically ahead of it. So it grows up very quickly to try and get enough sunshine. So I just wanted to show you here that my plant has 2 different sets of leaves. These leaves are the first leaves, they're the seed leaves, these sort of like oval shaped ones. They collect and store a lot of energy for the plant, and only once the plant has enough energy will the seed leaves die off. These leaves, the shaped leaves, are true leaves because they're identifiable with the plant. So now I have potted on my marrow plant. I need to get it acclimatized to being outside with different temperatures and airflow. So in the morning I pop it out in the greenhouse. I'll leave it there for a few hours and bring it back into the house. I'll slowly do this over the next 3 weeks until it's fully acclimatized and can spend the night in the greenhouse as well. So I wish you luck with planting your marrow plants, courgettes or cucumbers, whatever you're up to this weekend, and I'll see you next time on the Lunch Break Gardener.